Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to edit title block. So if you create new drawings and you can move into drawing sheet, click file, new and drawing sheet will be shown for the default drawing sheet. Now if you want to edit this title block, you can go to file, so you can click file, option, and the next you can go to size format. So in here you can see the location for the file. You need to open this file and you can edit the file. Okay, for example, I will copy in here, cancel, and you can close again, no, and then you can open your title block, like I will use this sheet, and will be automatically open into your Spaceclaim. So in here you can edit, like double click in here to edit the text, or you can add more lines by using the line tools in Sketch in here. If you want to close this title block, you can save against the file. After it, you can use into your drawing. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to edit title block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.